If you are representing yourself, please do not have third parties call the judge's chambers, that means the law clerk or the judge's judicial executive assistant, for information. They are only permitted to speak to the litigants or their lawyers. If you call for information, please understand that none of the judge's staff or any of the court staff are permitted to give you legal advice or help you manage your cases. You may be given a phone number that will direct you to legal resources if you ask for legal advice. Do try to get legal advice on your rights and obligations. When you call for information, have your case number ready. That is needed to quickly access your case in the computer. When you submit an order for the judge to sign with a self-addressed stamped envelope for the order to be returned to you, do not seal the envelope. We need to put your order in it to mail it to you. Write your address on the front and your address on the upper left-hand corner, as well as the return address. It is your responsibility to keep your address current with the court. You can obtain a notice of change of address from the Family Court website, self-help forms, to update your address when you move. It also needs to be sent to the adverse party in your case. When you are responsible for preparing the final order or decree, make sure you submit an original for the judge's signature and at least one copy to be returned to you. When you are calling court staff and receive their voicemail, leave your name, case number, and a phone number that you can be reached at. Your call will be answered. Calling multiple times is disruptive to the staff who are probably on other phone calls or watching video of other hearings to approve orders. If you need an interpreter, you must call for interpreter services. Please call a few days in advance to arrange for your interpreter. 702-455-1878. If you cannot afford an interpreter, you must bring that to the court's attention for the court to consider your request for a free interpreter.